here is one thing that you must have if you are serious about making money online. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, as somebody who is like an online entrepreneur, somebody who always is looking for ways to make more money online, one thing that I do notice is there are a lot of people out there who's complaining about not being able to make any damn money at all online, which to me is crazy. As somebody who's been making money online for over 15 years now, there is one thing that I realized that you must have if you want to make money online, and that one thing is work ethic. All right, you have to have work ethic, and a lot of people don't, because most people are used to the whole 9-to-5 lifestyle where they have a set schedule. They know what they need to do. They get in, get out, get their check once a week or every other week, and they're good to go. But when you decide to jump over to this online entrepreneurial world where you don't have a set schedule, right? You don't have nobody telling you what you need to do, how long to do it for, and you're not guaranteed results. It's hard for people to have that dedication and focus and discipline to be able to do the things they need to do to be successful online. It's just a damn fact. I see it all the time. And I know a lot of these online money-making opportunities seem so easy, right? Everything's like, just do this, just do that, blah, blah, blah. But I think a lot of these opportunities leave out one thing, and that is how consistent you need to be successful with that opportunity. So since they're not going to tell you, I'm going to tell you right now, all right? Listen up. It does not matter what the hell you're doing. If you want to be a YouTuber, making money from that, you want to be a blogger, you want to be a podcaster, you want to be an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, drop shipping, and the list goes on and on. The bottom line is you have to have a real work ethic. You have to have that discipline to be able to say, hey, this ain't no damn 9-to-5, but I want to be successful with this, so I'm going to work this opportunity, right, for this amount of time every day or on these days, and you need to stick to it, and you need to have that grind mentality if you want to see real results. I don't give a damn like how easy they say a program is. And let me tell you something, most of these opportunities, I would say 90% of these opportunities are real. You really can make money with these opportunities. I don't care if it's an affiliate program, a network marketing opportunity, damn bipolar ass YouTube. You can make money, you know what I'm saying, from the platform. So it really doesn't matter about what it is you're doing, but you have to have that work ethic and that passion to succeed with whatever it is you're doing. So many people jump into shit, right? Super excited because, you know, oh, it was only $100 to get started. It was only $50 to get started, whatever. You get all hype and excited, and they might do a little bit, but this online stuff takes work, and it's not necessarily hard work, but it takes work. All right. Like I talk about an opportunity. Well, I did a couple videos talking about an opportunity where you can earn $1,000 commissions working with this other company. Right. And here's the thing. Right? It's basically affiliate marketing because you're earning a commission. But if a person decides to jump on that opportunity, it's a straightforward, basically damn near direct sales opportunity. You close the deal, you get $1,000 commissions. But you have to be willing to reach out and send out a lot of messages to people or hire a VA, right? But that's the only requirement. To earn some money, you have to be consistent. You have to have that real work ethic. And if you are sticking with it and you sending out, 50 to 100 messages a day, every day, right? Stay consistent. You're going to get results. Maybe not in the first day, maybe not in the first week, But that consistency, that work ethic is going to eventually pay off, and you're going to be making some real money. That goes for any of these make money online opportunities out there. It doesn't matter. If you do not have some sense of work ethic, solid work ethic, you're not going to make money. Like, for real. Because so many people, they talk that shit like, oh yeah, if I had this opportunity, I would do this, I would do that. And then they get the opportunity and they don't do anything. Right? And then they say, oh man, that shit was a scam. Why? Because you didn't do anything? Like, just because you don't do anything does not make something a scam. Because trust me when I tell you, most of this stuff out here is legit. They really pay money, but it does take some real effort.